It's Nick here with Gutter Freedom. If you've put this on your house, you can call us now and we'll come take it out for you and put real gutter protection in. Because this is not gutter protection. This is a roll of plastic nothing is what this is. This is probably the saddest attempt at gutter protection I've seen, short of like the sponge of the sponge. Like these two things do not constitute gutter protection. If someone has put these on your house, they've done you a disservice. And normally it's the homeowner. I only say that because most of the time homeowners have no idea that these don't work. A gutter installer or a professional contractor should know that this obviously is not going to work. It's not going to last. I mean, these are so pathetic. I can pull them apart. Like, I don't know if you can see that. I can literally pull this apart with my bare fingers. It's not going to last. And these are just going to collect water, collect debris, or blow out. They're not going to be effective. And if you spent money on these, it was a waste. Call us now, fix that problem.